Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you a scrumptious peach cobbler recipe that's perfect for any occasion. So, let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a half cup of all-purpose flour, a half cup of granulated sugar, a half teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of butter, softened, a quarter cup of milk, 4 cups of fresh peaches, peeled and sliced, a half cup of granulated sugar, a quarter cup of all-purpose flour, a half teaspoon of cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg. Now, let's preheat our oven to 375 F. In a medium bowl, whisk together the flour, a half cup of sugar, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, cream the butter and a quarter cup of sugar together. Add the flour mixture to the butter mixture and stir until just combined. Then, add the milk and stir until the dough comes together. Place the dough in the bottom of a 9-inch square baking dish. Arrange the peaches over the dough, then mix together the remaining sugar, flour, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Sprinkle this mixture over the peaches. Bake the cobbler for 40–45 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let it cool for a few minutes before serving, and enjoy! That's it for today's recipe, folks. We hope you enjoyed making and devouring this delicious peach cobbler. Don't forget to give this recipe a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest cooking adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.